Hey everybody, hi, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world today. It's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. Haven't checked in for a while, been incredibly busy. So I thought I'd check back in with something I've been thinking about a little bit today that you may hopefully find useful. And that is, I wanted to talk about decision making and moving forward with your life and where decision making comes from and how come sometimes we get hampered by our feelings. I bang on a lot about trusting your gut, trusting your feelings, and I'm not going to say anything here now to contradict what I've been saying, not at all. As long as the feelings are coming from a belief system that is supporting who you really are on the inside and who you want to be and what you want to achieve. If your belief system and your thought patterns, because remember that your thoughts are going to lead to the feelings, if your thought patterns are not supporting what you're trying to achieve, then you start having feelings of doubt, fear, frustration, all of that good stuff that stops you actually stepping into your greatness and achieving everything that I know and you know deep down inside that you're capable of being and that you actually are. We are born great, each and every one of us. And if you're not realizing that right now in your life, it's purely and simply because you haven't stepped into it yet. Not because you aren't great, because you are, you're great, you're unique, you're capable of anything you put your mind to. But what you need to do is you need to believe it on an inner level. It needs to be who you are, not who you're trying to be. So if you feel that you've got to make a decision, and you start to procrastinate and you start to have doubts and everything else, one quick fix is to make a snap decision to just do it. Take action. Because as long as you're taking action straight away and not giving yourself time to think, you cannot start to think yourself into a place where you doubt, where you feel fear, and then you procrastinate. So that's really the essence of all I wanted to say today. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I love your comments. Love to hear if you've been dealing with this type of problem yourself, and get yourself along to robertcbrown.online. That's robertcbrown.online, and join the family over there where we'll be talking about a lot more stuff on this subject of personal development and our self-sabotaging thoughts and beliefs and how to get over them as well. And I've got a free webinar training as well. If you get yourself along there, you can get onto that. We can spend some time together, and I guarantee you're going to hear some things that may well change the way that you look at your life from now on. So that's it from me. Have a great day wherever you are in the world, the rest of it, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.